Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will quickly show you how you can check whether a RigidBody3d has collided with some other object in Godot game engine. So let's get started. So first I have done some quick setup. Here you can see I have this player which is a RigidBody3d. It has a mesh instance and collision shape 3d, and I have attached one simple script to it so that it can move. So this is the UI up, UI left, and as well as UI right. Okay, and then I have created one level scene in which I have just added environment light, a directional light. I have taken one floor, so this is basically, the floor is basically a CSG box 3D. Okay, same thing for our takeoff as well. I have taken one box, CSG box 3D, same for landing as well. And here we have included our player, and I have also added our camera. Now for our floor, takeoff and landing, I have enabled this use collision check. Now what you need to do is just go to your player. To check for collision, you just go to node 2D, just select body entered and add it over here. Now here if I just quickly show it to you, whenever it collides with something, it will give you the body.name. So I'll just print out body.name, and there is one more thing which you need to do inside your player is just go to your player and you need to enable this contact monitor, otherwise things will not work for you. And here you need to check maximum contacts reported in a single frame. So the smaller the value the better, but I'll just keep it 10 for now. Like 10 is too high for this particular simple game, but yeah, just to show it to you. And here you can see, I'll just play this. Now here you can see by default it is on the takeoff scene. Now I'll just run this, and here you can see it has collided with the floor. Now it has collided with the landing as well. So yeah, that's what it will print out. But I think a much better way, in case if you decide to rename it later on, this particular thing, suppose if I decided to later on rename this as floor 1, then things would get wrong for you, because here you will need to add a check like if body.name is equal to this. So you can also use groups. So groups has changed a little bit in Godot 4.5.1. so suppose if I want to check whether it has collided with the floor, so I can just select your floor, go to node, go to groups, and here just click on this plus button, and here I can again give it the same name or whatever name you feel like, floor. And you don't need to make it global, so I'll just click on OK. Now here I can just do if body if something like this. If you are using groups, then you will have to use if floor in body dot get underscore groups, and here you can just print out whatever you feel like. So I'll just print out you lose. If you want, you can use body.name as well, so it's completely up to you. So I can just run this, and here you can see if I just collide with the floor, here you can see I'm getting you lose. So hopefully you got the point. That's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.